I'm talking about mortgage rates. Hit 5.99%. We are below 6%. We've been waiting for this magic number for what felt like an eternity. And for 3 years, sellers have been saying the exact same thing. Mike, I'll wait for the prices to come up or the interest rates to drop. Mike, I'll wait for the interest rates to drop below 6%. Mike, I'll wait before I drop the price. Well, they came back, but the buyers didn't show up. If you are waiting and still waiting for 2022 prices to come back, I've got some bad news for you. That excuse is dead. I'm Mike Fiebernitz. I've been doing this 16 years, and I have seen the seller tone change dramatically over the last 3 years. 2023 and 24, it was basically a bunch of confusion. 2025, it was frustration. But 2026, it has changed. Sellers, they are mad. Today, I'm explaining why that anger doesn't matter, and the market has basically moved on from you. We just had a peak, a 2-day window, where we saw the mortgage rates with a 5 in front of it, and this was the ultimate litmus test. And I want you to understand, it's not like we've been at 7%, and in 2 days, we dropped to 5.99%, and people are going to rush in, buyers are going to rush in now. We've been around that 5.99% for weeks now. You know, we've been around 6.05, 6.1, 6.15, and there's not many buyers jumping in. And if the market didn't ignite, that tells us one thing. Buyers aren't waiting on the banks to drop their price. They're waiting on you to drop your price. So the interest rate trap has officially been replaced by what I'm calling the pricing wall. From 2023 to 2025, I talked to hundreds of you. And it was all the same. It was confusion on how am I not getting what my neighbor got in 2021? And why are we priced right, but we keep on dropping the price and it's not selling? Why am I not getting all the showings that my neighbor got that I just saw him get just recently? Well, that recently was 2 years ago in 2022. And I get it. You want that unicorn price that you saw in 2021 and 2022, but unfortunately, it's a unicorn price. It was there and now it's gone. But now that confusion has turned into anger. You're mad you waited. You're mad you can't get the price you waited on in 2022. And you're mad that the market didn't bounce back like you were promised. But here is the insider info. Your house isn't worth the price in 2022. It's worth the price a buyer will pay you in 2026 today. So here's where I'm going to wrap in my Alfredo sauce analogy. If the sauce is too salty, it does not matter how low you go with the heat. No one wants to eat it. In 2022, the heat was so high that the people didn't care how salty it was. But now at a 6% interest rate, the sauce has to be perfect. If your price is too salty, buyers are walking away. Even if the heat drops to 5.99%. So here's the 3-year cost of waiting. By waiting for a price that isn't coming back, you've actually lost more than just money. You've lost 3 years of your life sitting in a home that doesn't fit you. The 10-year inventory high has just crossed over 18,000, which means other sellers are finally realizing the same thing you're probably realizing now. The first ones to drop their price are the ones that are going to win the battle. So to conclude, the 5.99% head fake, that's a basketball analogy for all you sports fans there, was the market's last warning. Don't let your anger keep you trapped in a dead asset. Call or text me. My number's down below. I'd love to help you out, be a resource to you. And let's do a reality check on your equity before the 2026 inventory flood washes it away. Folks, like, subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment. Guys, see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.